ain't drunk. I'm just drinking. But you're so high. Oh man, you know I ain't high. But you're so high. Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then. But you're so high.
Bam! Hey kids, welcome back. It's been a while. So here we go. You remember a while back I did a video on AKK VTXs and I called it also known as crap. And they kind of threw a fit that I put a bad review up of them. So they sent me 3 replacements. Okay? And I told them they wanted me to take the video down. Can you please, we're going to send you 3 new ones. Can you please take down your bad review? And I'm like, no. And it's still up. I'll put a link to it right there. I had 3 blow up. No, I take that back. One of them didn't even have it in the box. One of them blew up instantly, and the other one went south of cheese about 2 days after I installed it. So I said, if you guys want to send me 3 new ones, I will review those, test them on the air here, and if they're good, they're good, and if they're bad, they're bad. That's it. So the thing I don't get, 2 of these were wrapped in cellophane, you know, factory wrapped, and the other one was not. Okay, not sure. And all 3 of them are different. It's like, really, guys? This one's a 5G840 channel. That's an FX2. Let's see what this one is. And there's the one. I blew 3 of these up. So I'm not really sure why they sent me 3 different ones, but that's okay. We're going to test each one, and we're also going to test their output. So we're going to use our faithful bench buddy, BAM. These are what, 7 to 24? Let me double check just to be sure. Yep, 724. So we're going to hook them to the 12-volt supply, which is right here. And I'm not even going to test the video because video's video. I'm going to test just the output and see if they blow up. So let me go ahead and get this ready. We're going to hook up a 4S LiPo and we'll see what happens. So there we go. Yep, right there. So there is our 5 volts ground in. Here's our power right here, and here's our video. So what we're going to do, just to keep life simple, we're going to, and we don't want to short anybody out, we're going to cut all those off, and we're going to go ahead and hook this up. So let's do that. Okay. See what happens. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get power of this. Bam, be right back. All right, here we go. So let me get rid of this. And for those of you that watch my crap, I have another, charger. I have another plane video coming up tonight. So this is for the VTX support for this thing. It doesn't even look like the same. Yeah, all right. Anyway, so let's see what we got. We got 25, 200, and 600, and 1200 milliwatt locked. Okay. Let's see. Unlock yellow selections will automatically lock each time power is turned off. Ham license. Wow. That's an interesting way to get around that. All right, so the first thing we're going to do, here's our 4S. We're hooked up to the 12-volt side. We're going to see if she smokes. So our positive and negative is up here. And let's see what happens. So far, that's a good sign. Okay. So nothing bad there. 12.32. It's 25. Let's see, 25, 200, and 600. Okay. Woo, it's getting hot. But it is not smoking, so let's go ahead and set this up. I'll be right back. All right, I was just double checking myself on that. I'm so used to VTX 03s, I wanted to make sure that I was doing this right. So we hold down the button for 4 seconds, green light flashes, click it, and it should jump our power, okay? So let's see what happens. Right now we're at nothing. 10, 12 milliwatts. 4, 22. Let's do it again. Oops. Hmm. Hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit it. Hmm. Am I doing something wrong here? It's not going past 25. Let's double check, make sure we're doing this right. Okay, so right there it says, notice power select, press button for 4 seconds, green LED will flash, then select power by simple short press to select 25, 200, 600 sequentially. For 2 to 600, green light will flicker once, it won't light on. Green light is only on for 25, okay? Interesting. So maybe I'm doing it wrong. There's 25. Hmm. Still on 25. It's 512, sorry. So there's 500. And that's off. Okay, so there's nothing. Let's just double check. So what do we got? 25, 2, and 6. So there's, this is getting exceptionally hot, by the way. Five. That's supposed to be 25. All right, so there we go. 25 milliwatt. It's actually saying 29. 30. It's kind of all over the map. 335. So that's, now this is getting very hot. We're giving it the benefit of the doubt here. And it is stupid hot here. And now it's at 940. Okay. Either way, we're going to call that good. It did not go up in flames. We'll see what happens. And it's exceptionally hot here. It's like literally 90 degrees out. I'm dripping with sweat. So I'm not going to defeat the VTX for that. It looked like it went through, it did 25 milliwatt, 300 to 400, and then it did, like I said, 900, but whatever. So let's go ahead and test the next ones. Bam, be right back. All right, we're back, and this one's different yet. This one looks surprisingly like the old Eachine VTXs. So let's see what this one does. We got it wired up. Let's see. Band select, power press for 4 seconds. You got 25, 200, 500, and 800. Hang on. All right, number 3. Okay, this is the one that I smoked 3 of, or 3 of them were trash. One of them was missing, one of them was trash, and one of them was trash soon after. So let's see what this guy does. So make sure we're not crossing polarity here. We'll zoom in on this guy. We're gonna hook it up. All right, so right now we're getting 60. Okay, so we're supposed to get 25, 200, 500, and 800. Right now we're getting 60 right off the mark. So let's see what happens. Here's number 2 setting, which number 2 setting is supposed to be 200. We're getting 233. Awesome. Okay. Now number 3 is 612, and that's supposed to be 500. I like how overperformers. That's good. Let's see what it does now. There's number 4. Number 4 is supposed to be, sorry, 500. No, it's 800. And we're getting 619. But again, it's hot, so bam. bam. And you have to take these things with a grain of salt too, because even if you do double a VTX, you don't get double the range. That's a big myth, right? So here is the conclusion. They all worked. None of them smoked. I didn't get to make any fried bologna, which is kind of sad. But I'm 3 for 3, right? So 3 of them were shit and 3 of them were good. So what does that put my opinion at? My opinion on AKK is you got a 50% chance of getting it right. I had 3 of them straight fresh out of Amazon that sucked. The video that I put up a while back about the AKKs, I had a few people say, hey, AKK is doing okay for me, but more people said they had the same experience that I had, smoking or whatever. So to me, it's like, okay, I had 3 bad ones, now I have 3 good ones. Basic math tells you got a 50-50 shot. If AKK wants to send me a few more, and I'll even send them back to them or donate them to people. If they want to send me like 5, something like that, I will test them and send them right back to them, or I can test them and donate them to people, which is fine because I really don't need them. This is plenty. Because I ordered 3 because I needed 3. These are going in planes, hopefully. But I will keep up with this, and I will test the longevity of these. So if they go up in flames, believe me, you know, if they go up in flames in 8 months to a year, sure, fine, fuck it. If they go up in flames in 4 days, like my other one did, I'm going to let you know. So, do I give them a good review? Right now I give them a neutral review because I had 3 bad, 3 good. Draw your own conclusions. So, AKK, if you want to send me some more, actually what I would like even more so is for me to buy AKKs from Amazon or from wherever. That way I'm sure they're just a random pick and not a factory cherry pick. And I'm not saying they're dishonest or anything, but, you know, it's always good to know. So, there you go. Kind of use at your own risk. These 3 work, seemingly so. Great, rock and roll. But 3 of them didn't. Don't know what to tell you. So, take it for what it's worth. Talk to you later, kids. Bye.